This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Michael Emery. We believe the more time you spend at home, the better. This house design will make it easy to relax with move-in ready cosmetics and upgrades like stone countertops and stainless steel appliances. Have deeper conversation with an open floor plan that beautifully supports a 4-bedroom household, great for the 2021 homeowner. Never worry about the weather. Our home supporting systems, roof, HVAC, H2O heater, crawlspace, windows, are weather tested and will provide a peace of mind so you can focus on you. It's like they say, home is where the heart is. You will love this home inside and out. For more information, review the details below.